Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock with a chicken carcass. Making homemade chicken stock is incredibly rewarding and simple. We'll start by gathering our main ingredients, a chicken carcass and some aromatic vegetables. Roughly chop your carrots, celery, and onions into large, manageable pieces. This preparation ensures maximum flavor extraction. You'll also need a large stock pot, ideally an 8-quart size or bigger, to accommodate everything comfortably. Let's get cooking. For a richer, deeper flavor, we'll roast the chicken carcass and vegetables first. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until lightly browned. This step adds incredible depth. Next, transfer all the roasted goodness into your large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged by at least 1 inch. Finally, add 1 bay leaf and a few whole peppercorns to the pot. Now bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low, maintaining a very gentle simmer. Allow it to cook uncovered for at least 4 hours, and ideally up to 8 hours for maximum flavor. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface during the first hour. After simmering, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container, discarding the solids. Proper cooling is crucial for safety. Rapidly cool your stock by placing the container in an ice bath until it reaches room temperature. Once cooled, transfer the stock to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, you can freeze it for several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and risottos. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.